How to watch YouTube in ambient mode. Ambient mode uses a lighting effect to make watching videos in dark theme more immersive by casting gentle colours from the video into your screen's background. Watch this video to learn how to enable ambient mode on your mobile device. And while you're here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a like on this video. Okay, so to watch YouTube in ambient mode, what you need to do is open up the YouTube app on your mobile device. And once you turn on dark theme, ambient mode is automatically enabled. To turn off ambient mode, click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner and then tap on settings. And then once in settings, if this latest update has been rolled out to your mobile device, you'll have an option to click on ambient mode. So just toggle to turn off ambient mode for all videos. And that's all it takes to watch or turn off ambient mode on YouTube on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.